if you are a designer role or at the construction site role, we give you access to different kind of tools and different kind of information. We try to automate, simplify, visualize our customer workflows. I'm Niko Vironen and representing Sweco Finland. I'm running a department of VDC service development. Sweco as a design company, engineering company, we understand the design stage, we understand the models. Unfortunately, we have the software developer capabilities as well. The reality at the construction site, what I see is that when we are talking about the BIM-based collaboration, it's still that somebody takes a screenshot of a BIM model, sends it to construction site WhatsApp group, and okay, it's a sort of a BIM-based collaboration, but it's still a static image and there's always risk of misunderstandings. The kind of the basics for our smart drawing services, we place a QR code into the drawing, and then we send the corresponding part of the model to APS to be used with our smart drawing service. And that helps the actual people on the construction site to get the correct part of the model immediately without any need to search or filter information. We actually have a role-based setup in our service, so based on if you are a designer role or at the construction site role, we give you access to different kind of tools and different kind of information, because in the building information model it contains so huge amount of information. We try to automate, simplify, visualize our customer workflows. Quality, time savings and common understanding. So those are the major benefits that we see. From one of our customer cases in a large construction projects, we have gained something like 10 to 15 minutes time savings per each rebar inspection, and you have quite a number of those. Obviously, we've identified opportunities after the building has been completed, so meaning the life cycle of the building, and of course all the regulations, sustainability issues will kind of start requiring that we have a digital asset management in place, and what kind of opportunities new technology will enable us, because it's quite a large puzzle in each customer case, so technology has a large role.